Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $4,000 plus trading VIP cash 300 signals full video. Okay, this is full video of how this was made possible. I'm going to show you right away. So you can see that this is cash 300 and this is 5 minutes time frame. Okay, initially you discover that this market was moving like this. Okay, it was moving along this trend line. Okay, you can just get a nice trend line. This is a nice trend line. It was moving like this, and then it break it first of all break this a level. It break this loop. This loop is my stop loss loop. It break it. The fact that it break it means that it's going to continue to come to the trend line. Okay, so when it reaches the trend line, it breaks the trend line. So we entered here because at the higher time frame we notice that it is acting on this trend line. You have this trend line, so it's very close to this trend line, so it's going to sell at higher time frame. Okay, and we also have this other block. So this other block is a supply, so we have an other block here. Okay, we have this other block. This is a supply zone, so we have multiple confirmation. So when I go to 5 minutes time frame, I'm looking for break of structure, and that's what happened here. Okay, we have this break of structure. So because price have broken this loop, if I put SL anywhere outside the loop, I'm going to do what? Succeed. So I place SL here. I entered here. I would even have placed SL somewhere here, or just anywhere inside the loop can be good because the price have broken out of the loop. Okay, so I just placed SL here to be more safe. And what happened? The price drive all the way, breaking the trend line because it must sell, reach here, retest. I just want to hold the trade for long. That's why I don't want to take a profit yet. It's heading to this price. After it consolidates here, it's going to break down to come to this price because this is the next demand zone. Okay, if you check, I was able to generate around 133 pip. Now the lot size, each lot size is 3 lot size. That will give over $300. Okay, and because I opened multiple positions, I was able to generate $4,000. Okay, so this thing is working perfectly. You need to be in my VIP for you to trade this type of signal. I keep sending this type of signal daily. You need to be in my VIP for you to trade it. I have a special group for boom and crash. It is called VIP boom and crash group. In that group, we only trade boom and crash signals. So you are the one delaying your progress in trading. If you don't want to join VIP, you can actually enroll for my boom and crash millionaire course. In that course, I teach people how to trade boom and crash successfully and become millionaires trading boom and crash. I mean millionaires in dollars. You have to change your life if you really want to start making money. You need to enroll for the courses, the boom and crash millionaire course, so that you start making real money. Okay, thank you, and keep subscribing to WINFX Trading YouTube channel. Bye for now.